Good night. My name is John Taborda. I live with my wife and my daughters. I have two daughters. I am 38 years old. And I am studying engineer system. Good. I like to read books and to watch movies and practice sport on the weekends. Um, the past year, I traveling. I travel go to Medellin, Colombia, to visit to my family. Medellin is beautiful. Your people, it's very happy and helpful. Um the next year, I think to visit Boyacá, Colombia. Uh, I go to the Sierra Nevada of Cocuy. Uh, there is there very cool, um, but is very beautiful for your animals and specimens that living in this region. Um, and I am go to visit my other family, the family from part of my mother. They are living in Boyacá, Colombia. Thanks and good night.